So we did these lights about 2 years ago. A lot of people have been asking if these 2x4s warped, and they have, which I knew was going to happen. You can see it bows in, and the lights I can touch while I'm on the ground. It's even worse on those ones down there, but I have a fix for it. We're going to do right now. I did 2 of them. Just put a 2x4 and screwed it in right to the side of that, and it straightened that out. You can see how straight that cable is. So we're going to do that to every one of them. We were going to finish them the same color as our fence. And this is the stuff we use. Ready Seal in dark walnut. But this sat out in our shed over the winter, or maybe 2 winters. And this is the color that came out. It went bad. Everything's coagulated down at the bottom. So we're just going to put them up and order new sealer and do it while it's up. I'll show you how we did it with this one. So the idea is the way we put it up, all of the weight is on this end of it, this side of it, and it warps. I can bend it just like that. But if you turn it this way, that's where all the strength of these comes from. You can't bend it. So that's where we're going to distribute all the weight of the cables to, is that way. Better?
Sure.
Pull it tight?
Yep.
There it is. I have a few. This one I can touch, but I'm on the deck. That one I can't touch anymore. Can't touch this one. This one I can still touch, which means I can tighten that cable, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. This one probably needs tightened. I can somewhat touch that, but these 2 I can't touch. So everything is much tighter, and these posts now are way more robust. I chose to do it this way with these 2x4s because I didn't want to dig into the ground for a 4x4 post, set it in concrete. This way, if we get tired of these lights, I just unscrew this stuff and our fence is normal. We didn't tear up the ground. There it is. Thanks for watching.